maintain current bearing, easy on the hydraulics.
Copy that. Approaching the drop zone, the ice is stable.
Slack on 2. Heap. Watch the fender. A little to the left, watch the clearance.
Hold it there, hold it there.
A little to the left, watch the clearance.
Hold it there, hold it there.
Hold it right there. Clear on this side. Needs to come left about 3 inches. Easy. Make sure that one covers the entire southeast quadrant.
Roger that. I'll adjust the GPS coordinates now.
Rental. Audio is characterized by the sounds of a busy industrial environment. There is the persistent hum of
Take that pallet to the far end of the bay. Roger that, moving now.
The sensor alignment is reading 3 degrees off.
I see it. Adjust the calibration pot on the servo control.
Cell 5 alignment is off by 2 degrees.
Check the calibration logs on the tablet.
Rerunning the diagnostic sequence now.
Ensure the non-skid surface readings are logged for quadrant 2.
Check the tolerance on this piston seal. We have excessive fluid bypass.
Copy that. I'll flag it for immediate replacement.
All right, slowly now, watch the tension.
Cable clear on the starboard side.
Roger that, moving up. Okay, easy now. Watch the lower right corner. Got it. Suction engaged.
All right, easy on the dome. Watch the cabling. We're clear on this side. Torque wrench ready.
Ensure all connections are secure before final calibration. Move the light over here. See that stress fracture?
Yeah, I see it. Let's mark it for the chief engineer.
Check the pressure on line 4.
Holding steady at 200 psi.
Check the pressure valve on level 4.
It's reading low. Let me recalibrate.
The pressure on the secondary loop is critical. We have to vent heat now.
I'm opening the bypass valve. Watch the gauges.
We're approaching the limit.
Confirmed. The seal is holding. Keep monitoring the thermal readings.
Racks 1 through 4 are powered up.
Still running diagnostics on the fiber link.
We need status on the radar array now.
Watch the edge right there.
Okay, moving the stencil now. Clear on your side.
Yeah, we're good. Let's keep moving.
Everything looks good. Ensure all supplies are properly stowed and maintain these professional standards.
Secure that corner, B. Make sure the tension is right on the line.
Bridge to command. Systems check complete. All indicators nominal.
Are the reserves fully stocked on level 3?
Yes, Captain. All green.
for launch.
Roger that.
We are commencing fuel transfer. Confirm green light on the console.
Valve is open, pressure steady.
Torque to specifications, bolts secure.
Confirmed. Removing safety cap. Weapon hot.
Helm, evasive maneuver Alpha 5. Engineering, I need full power to the shields now.
All hands, elevator rising. Clear the flight deck.
Roger that. Deck clear. Ordnance secure.
All right, team, keep pace. Fire reported in engineering. Let's move. Activate the overheads now.
Roger that. Initiating foam sequence.
Clear the hull. We're coming through.
Vitals are dropping. Hang the blood.
Almost at the bay.
Turbine inspection is complete.
Confirmed. All readings are nominal.
Final torque applied to the assembly.
It's from my girlfriend. Look at this. I got the hoodie I asked for.
Hey, save some of those cookies for me.
Get moving, you slimy pollywogs! More water over here!
All stations, attention to lines 1 and 2. Heave around.
Aye, sir. Taking the strain on line 5.
Line 2 is clear.
Finally, liberty! I'm hitting the city as soon as we land. Oh, don't forget your curfew.
Welcome, esteemed colleagues, to Hangar 4. Your presence here tonight underscores our shared commitment to global security. A breathtaking sight, this floating city at sea cuts through the deep Navy darkness.